Stop scrolling for just a moment. Yes, you. Because if you struggle to talk about your daily life in English, if simple questions like, how was your day? Or what did you do today? Make you freeze, then this episode of Speak English Daily might be the one that finally changes everything. Today, we're giving you something powerful, a full, slow, clear English conversation about daily life, designed specially for beginners. You will listen, repeat, shadow, and speak with us. By the end of this episode, you will be able to describe your day confidently, naturally, and without translating in your head. I'm Anna, and I'm here with David.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here today.
How are you, David?
I'm good, thank you. I'm awake, which is a good start. Yes, I already had my coffee, so I'm ready. How about you, Anna?
I'm doing great. I'm very happy today. I had a really good morning.
Oh, that's wonderful. A good morning makes a big difference. And that's actually our topic for today. We're going to talk about our daily life.
And before we begin, make sure you subscribe to Speak English Daily because we upload real English conversations, shadowing practice, and listening lessons every single day. And you don't want to miss the videos that will help you finally become fluent.
All right, let's begin with a simple question that native speakers use all the time. How's your day going? Repeat after me slowly. How's your day going? Now you.
And here's a simple, natural answer. It's going well, thanks. Or, it's been a busy day. Repeat. It's going well, thanks. It's been a busy day. Great. Today, we're going to walk through a full day together, morning, afternoon, evening, and teach you exactly how to talk about your daily life in clear, simple English. Morning routine. Let's start with the morning. Most people begin their day with the same basic actions, so these sentences are great for everyday conversation. Listen first. I wake up at 7 a.m. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. Now repeat after me, slowly. I wake up at 7 a.m. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat breakfast.
Great. Let me put those sentences into a natural, simple daily life story. Listen carefully. In the morning, I wake up at 7. I usually feel a little sleepy, so I sit on my bed for a minute. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a quick shower. After that, I get dressed and make a cup of tea. I eat a light breakfast, usually eggs or toast, and then I'm ready to start my day. Now shadow this whole paragraph with me. You don't need to be perfect, just follow the rhythm. In the morning, I wake up at 7. I usually feel a little sleepy. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower. I get dressed and make a cup of tea. I eat breakfast and start my day. Great job.
Going to work or school. Now let's talk about the next part of your day, going to work or school. Here are useful beginner sentences. Listen first. I leave home at 8. I take the bus. I walk to work. I drive to school. The traffic is heavy. It takes 20 minutes. Repeat. I leave home at 8. I take the bus. I walk to work. I drive to school. The traffic is heavy. It takes 20 minutes.
Now let's put these into a conversation.
What time do you leave home?
I leave home at 8. I usually take the bus because traffic is too heavy. Repeat this conversation. What time do you leave home? I leave home at 8. I usually take the bus. Now shadow the quick story. I leave home at 8. I take the bus to work. The ride takes about 20 minutes. Sometimes the bus is crowded, but I try to listen to English podcasts to practice. That's a great sentence to remember. I listen to English podcasts to practice. Very natural, very useful.
At work or at school. Now you're at work or school. What do you usually do? Listen, I start work at 9. I check my emails. I have a meeting. I talk to my coworkers. I study English. I have a short break. I eat lunch at 1. Repeat. I start work at 9. I check my emails. I have a meeting. I talk to my coworkers. I study English. I have a short break. I eat lunch at 1.
Let's create a simple conversation.
What do you do in the morning at work?
I check my emails and prepare for meetings. Now repeat. What do you do in the morning at work? I check my emails and prepare for meetings. Now natural story version. At work, I start at 9. I check my emails and plan my day. Sometimes I have morning meetings. I usually take a short break around 11, and then I eat lunch at 1. Shadow with me. At work, I start at 9. I check my emails. I take a short break. I eat lunch at 1.
Afternoon routine. Now let's continue to the afternoon. These sentences help you explain what you do after lunch. Listen. I get back to work. I finish my tasks. I study for a while. I feel a little tired. I take a short walk. I drink coffee. I finish work at 5. Repeat. I get back to work. I finish my tasks. I study for a while. I feel tired. I take a short walk. I drink coffee. I finish work at 5.
And here's the story. In the afternoon, I get back to work. I try to focus on my tasks, but sometimes I feel a little tired. So I take a short walk or drink a cup of coffee. I finish work around 5 p.m. Now shadow this paragraph. In the afternoon, I get back to work. Sometimes I feel tired. I take a short walk. I finish work at 5.
Evening routine. Evening is one of the easiest things to talk about because most people have similar routines. Listen, I get home around 6. I relax for a bit. I take a shower. I eat dinner with my family. I watch TV. I study English. I go for a walk. I talk to friends. I go to bed at 11. Repeat. I get home around 6. I relax for a bit. I take a shower. I eat dinner. I watch TV. I study English. I go for a walk. I talk to friends. I go to bed at 11.
Evening story. In the evening, I get home around 6. I relax for a little while, maybe 10 or 15 minutes. Then I take a shower and eat dinner. After dinner, I usually watch TV or study English. Sometimes I go for a walk to clear my mind. I go to bed around 11. Now shadow. In the evening, I relax, eat dinner, study English, and go to bed around 11.
Now let's build a full dialogue using all the daily life vocabulary. How was your day?
It was good. I woke up early today.
Repeat. What did you do this morning?
I took a shower, ate breakfast, and went to work.
Repeat. How do you go to work?
I take the bus. It takes about 20 minutes.
Repeat. What do you usually do in the afternoon?
I work on my tasks. I sometimes feel tired, so I drink a cup of coffee.
Repeat. And what do you do in the evening?
I eat dinner, study English, relax for a bit, and go to bed.
Repeat. Think in English practice.
Now it's your turn to think about your own daily life. I'll give you a sentence, you complete it in your mind, or say it out loud.
I wake up at. Fill in your time. I go to work or school at. I eat lunch at. In the afternoon, I. In the evening, I go to bed at.
See, talking about your day is simple. You just need the right words in the right order. Shadowing, full daily life story. Now repeat this full paragraph with us. My day starts at 7. I wake up, brush my teeth, and take a shower. I get dressed and eat breakfast. Then I go to work. It takes about 20 minutes. At work, I check my emails and have meetings. I eat lunch at 12. In the afternoon, I finish my tasks. In the evening, I go home, eat dinner, relax, and study English. I go to bed around 11.
Repeat slowly and shadow the rhythm. You're training your brain to speak naturally. You did amazing today. If you followed the shadowing and practiced the conversation, you've already improved your fluency.
And if you want more daily life English lessons, conversation practice, and slow listening exercises, make sure you subscribe to Speak English Daily.
Don't just learn English. Live in English every day with us.
Thank you for practicing with us. See you in the next episode.
Bye.